Hey everybody, I'm here today with a beginner driving lesson on entering a roundabout. In this video, I'll be telling you and showing you what to do when you enter a roundabout. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, I've drawn this roundabout. I know it's a sad excuse for a drawn out roundabout, but I'm not a great artist. What can I say? So in this roundabout, we're going to be driving on the right-hand side of the road. Okay, so we're going to be starting here. We're going to be driving on the right-hand side of the road. And obviously you can reverse this if you drive on the left-hand side of the road. So we're going to start here. Now, as you're entering the roundabout, there's going to be one of two things over here. Okay, there's either going to be a yield sign or a stop sign. Okay, now if there is a yield sign, just understand that you don't have to stop, but you might have to. It all depends. It's not required, but you have to use your judgment to see if you have to stop. You do, however, have to yield to everyone else that's in the roundabout. So let's say there was a car coming around here, and you have a yield sign, you would wait for them and wait for an opening, and then you could proceed. If there's a stop sign, okay, you're gonna have to stop here no matter what. Even if there's no one else in the roundabout, you have to stop. So just understand that. Now, as you're approaching the roundabout, okay, this is a one-lane roundabout, and I'll go over 2 lanes in just a moment, but as you're approaching the roundabout, to enter into it, determine if there's a yield or stop sign, okay? That's number 1, and understand what you have to do there, okay? Then you want to, number 2, signal, okay? Now, you're gonna be signaling in the direction that you want to go. So if I'm going to be going out here, you just treat it as if it's a regular intersection. If I'm going out here, I'm going to be signaling right, okay? So this would be a right signal. If I'm going here, I would be not signaling. So this would be no signal, okay? Because I'm going straight. Even though I'm turning this way, I'm still planning on going straight. And if I'm turning here, then this is going to be a left signal over there, okay? So you're signaling in the direction that you are going to be exiting the roundabout in, okay? Then number 3 is you want to check your mirrors, okay? So because we are, even though if we're going left, we still have to turn right to go around the roundabout, right? So if I still have to check my rear view mirror and my right side mirror. No matter which direction I'm going, I'm checking my rear view mirror and my right side mirror because I'm going right towards the roundabout, okay? Number 4, check your blind spot. So check your right blind spot because once again, we're going right, okay? So number 1 is figure out if you have to yield or stop, okay, at that intersection. Number 2 is signal. Number 3 is check your mirrors, your rear view mirror and your right side mirror. Number 4 is check your right blind spot, okay? Once you're, and this all happens before you actually get to the intersection. Once you get to the intersection, then you have to actually steer through it. So you want to go approach into the intersection and then you want to proceed, you know, make sure you yield or stop, but proceed in the direction that you want to go. So if I'm turning right, I go like this, just like that. If I'm going straight, I go around and then I exit out. If I'm going left, I go all the way around and then I exit out. So that's the process for entering a roundabout. If there are 2 lanes, let's say there's 2 lanes, then each lane is going to have designated arrows telling you where you're going to be going. Generally speaking, this right lane would be only for going right, okay? This lane would be for going straight or left. So I'd go from this lane, I could go straight or left, generally speaking, but there will be arrows showing you this lane is for going right and this lane is for going straight and left, let's say. It all depends, but that's the process for entering a roundabout. You just have to follow these steps, and that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.